Good morning, Willow Springs High School. Today is Monday, January 8th, and it is a white day.
Girls basketball here versus there at 6.
Lunch will be corn dog, green beans, fruit, and a Rice Krispie treat.
Tomorrow, JV girls basketball at Licking versus Mountain View at 5:30.
Hallway music today is Ice Ice Baby. And remember, the Field of Dreams Uganda SCA Change for Change Challenge is still taking place. Money cans are set up in the library and the Bears Den during lunch. Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa, and it's located in East Central Africa. The total population is just under 43 million people.
Sophomores that are interested in your next 2 years are going by quickly with First Responder Skills Building Practical Application course should meet with Mr. Wickens in room 101 during First Bear Time Thursday for more information on how this can be achieved.
Anyone 14 and under, there will be a Knights of Columbus Free Throw Championship on January 13th at 10 a.m. in the new gym. You can pick up an entry form in the student information boxes.
Now to birthdays. Saturday was Danielle Buckner's birthday. Sunday's birthdays included Miley Taylor, Dakota Tucker, and Mr. Bell. Today's birthdays are Landon Vermillion, Hunter Hicks, and Coach Wagner.
Will it snow? Find out now from the Bear Media head meteorologist, Nolan Perkins.
It's going to be a busy week here in Howell County. Temperatures are going to be starting off in the 40s this week, and then as we move towards the end of the week, we're going to be in the lower teens by Saturday. And also we have a lot of chances for precipitation, including today, Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So let's go ahead and get a look at your forecast for today. Let's get that out of the way. 8 a.m. there is a 50% chance for scattered showers and possibly some snow showers mixed with that. 35 degrees, so nothing's going to stick, and then there's a wind coming out of the south. So it's making it a little warmer than it could have been for today. If that wind wasn't there, we might actually be having some stuff sticking, but that is just not going to happen. 11 a.m., everything's going to be out of the area for now. 38 degrees, 15-mile-an-hour winds from the south. Now, there's going to be some gusts up to 25 miles an hour today, so the winds are going to be pretty intense at some points. And then as we get towards the afternoon, 3 p.m. and 6 p.m., the rain's going to move back into the area. That front is going to come through, and the temperatures are going to be 37 and 35 with that wind still coming out of that south. 20-mile-an-hour winds at 6 p.m., so pretty intense for this time of year. Now let's go ahead and get a look at the radar so we can see what this is going to look like in real time. So let me go ahead and let this repeat. You can get a look at it real quick without me talking. So this is this morning. The front is over in the Great Plains. You can see right here, that's what I was talking about, the rain this morning. Could be some snow when it repeats. There's the snow I was talking about that might happen this morning, but it's still just a little too warm, so we can't really expect anything for that. Now, when it repeats again, I'm sorry, I can't really stop it and show you. Now, there is a dry slot that moves into the area, so the rain is going to stop tonight after around 9 p.m., but then after that dry slot moves through, that is preventing us getting any more snow because there's just not going to be any precipitation. A good example of that would be last Friday whenever we just had nothing going on, but Kabul, Mountain View, and West Plains all had snow, but we were in a dry slot locally. This is going to be way more widespread. You can see all of southern Missouri is in this dry slot, so there is just no snow going on. But tomorrow morning, Tuesday, there is a chance for some snow to move into the area. A tracing to 1 inch is expected with this snow, so don't expect anything to stick. It's still going to be too warm, but we'll see what happens with it. Now let's go ahead and get a look at your 7-day forecast. Monday and Tuesday, there's those snow chances, 38, 36 for the low, 39, and 23 for your low. Now Wednesday and Thursday, there's going to be just no precipitation, 45 and 49 for your highs, 28 and 39 for your lows. And then as you look at Friday and Saturday, you can see the temperatures drop off really hard. 42 is your high and 12 for your low. And we do have a chance for some snow on Friday. Now they were saying that this is going to be a lot more snow, but then the Gulf decided that it was going to shoot some warm air up into our area. And the temperature went from being a high of 32 to a high of 42. So that chance of snow has dropped off hard. We're looking at maybe an inch for Friday instead of having 10 inches, which is what we were expecting at first. Now Saturday, we're going to have nothing really except Saturday morning maybe for some snow. 29 is your high and 7 for your low. It's going to be cold outside, so if you have a wood furnace, I would go ahead and get your logs brought inside, get ready to start your fires. And then Sunday, we do have a chance for some more snow. You can see there's no rain mixed with with that, like over here, this would be high 20. That is going to be all snow if it comes down. It is still really far out, so we can't really tell yet. 40% chance for that right now, but a high of 20 and a low of 11, and then even Monday. We don't have school next Monday, but on Monday, the snow's going all night, starting Sunday evening and going into Monday morning. So if that does happen, that'll be a decent amount of snow. So let's go ahead and do the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hope you have a good Monday.